Alright, so you need some cool Afro drum loops. I got this one for you, check it out. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, so we are in the first studio now. I want to take you through this sample case drum loops. Okay, so they come with their BPM, as you can see, 120 BPM. Okay, and also they come with their keys, you can see from here. Alright, so let's walk through this sample packs or drum loops. Remember, everything is free, but watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip this file. Alright, so guys, let's move on. First thing, when you drag it here, you go to this side, detect tempo. Okay, so this sample did not come with a tempo. Alright, so you can choose this like that. So guys, let's listen to this. You see that? I'm gonna drag another one. Alright guys, let's check this one. Detect tempo. Alright, let's go. Crazy. I really love this, guys. So you can download this for free. Let's check this one. Remember to watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip the file. Give the video a like if it helps you. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Guys, let's listen. Okay, so this is kick. Let's check. Okay, Tom. You can download this for free. The link is in the description box. But remember to watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip the file. Let's check some of them. Crazy. Wood. Alright guys, let's drag another one. So let's listen to this. So this one came with 102 BPM. Change that. Let's listen. Change this to the song. Hey, I really love it, guys. Hey, crazy. So guys, let's check another one. Let's see, detect tempo, 100 BPM. Alright. Boom, let's listen. Hey, crazy. Guys, I really love this. So you move on. Detect tempo. Let's listen to that. Okay, move on. Okay, this is melody, detect tempo. Guys, you can get this for free. Okay, Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip this. Simple. Let's listen to that. Crazy, man. Alright, so guys, let's listen to this. Okay, it's a bass. Man, let's listen to this. Subscribe, give the video a like if it helps you. Crazy. Okay. Let's check this. Alright, guys, this is crazy, guys. Let's check this bouncy Afrobeat. Check this. Hey, check this. Then let's check the drum loops. Hey. I really love this, guys. Check this one. Crazy. Check this one. Check this. Okay.